struggling trying to ride his bicycle in this sand. Go, Mimi, go. Go, Mimi, go. Listening to these waves is so hypnotic. Mesmerizing. Of Mother Nature. Something I can listen to over and over and over to meditate to. I think these waves are a little bit bigger right in this area. I think it's red because the iron in between the mixture of the red clay and the sand here in West Georgia. It's beautiful. There goes my memes. We went from Sunny Point to West Point Dam because this is just a much more peaceful area. It's beautiful. Plus, when I went to their bathroom at Sunny Point, someone had boo-booed in the floor. And, yeah, I was gagging. Really bad. So beautiful though. You hear all the calmness over in this section. And here's another view. How about I try to get on his bicycle and I'm too short? Hi. Is it really or is it you? Oh.